Morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. So yesterday we have studied about the conversions in national income. We have already seen about the conversion, different conversions. We have also studied about the depreciation, and we have studied about the gross and net value. Then we have studied about the market value and factor cost, and we have also seen about the national and domestic product. So all things we have studied now. We talk about the nominal GDP and real GDP. So what is nominal GDP and what is real GDP? So nominal GDP okay. So nominal GDPs are calculated at the current price. Okay. Price. Okay, you can say that it refers to GDP at current price, or you can also say current price GDP. Fine. So it is the market value of goods and services produced within the domestic territory of the country during an accounting year, and its estimation is done on the basis of current year price. Okay. It refers market value goods and services estimated produced within the domestic territory during accounting year, and its estimation is done on the basis of it is estimated okay. So it is estimated on the basis of current year price. So please write it down if you want. So again, I am going to say that nominal GDP is also called as current GDP at current price or current price GDP. Now, it is the market value of goods and services produced within the domestic territories of the country during an accounting year, estimated estimated using the current price or estimated on the basis of current price. Okay, both are same. Okay, so it is done estimation. Its estimation is done on the basis of current year price of the commodity which is prevailing in the country. So it is done. Fine. So one more thing with this, how you denote this GDP as an nominal GDP is equal to Q. So what is this Q? Q is in quantity of final goods and services. So nominal GDP, in which Q is considered to be the quantity of final goods and service which is produced during the accounting year, and P is the price. Okay, P is what? Price. Price currently. So you understand properly, okay? Nominal GDP is the current price GDP at a current price, means why it is called so? It refers to the market value of goods and services which is produced within the domestic territory of the country during an accounting year, and it is estimated on the basis of current year price. Fine. Any problem, anybody? Any problem, anybody? Okay, good. So shall we move ahead? Okay. See, with the current price GDP, one more thing is that, so this is the current price of the GDP. Okay. Now, price of a commodity is rising. If the price of a commodity is rising in the economy and your amount is coming something else, but the production of the good remains the same, then it is not good for the economy, or it is not for the welfare of the public of the country. I suppose you people are getting me what I'm saying. Again, I'm saying, suppose the quantity of a product is remaining constant and that is not increasing, but the price, or general, you can say price level of the commodity is what? Increasing. Price is increasing or decreasing, or it is, suppose we are accepting that the price is increasing, then the quantity is not increasing, but the price is increasing, and the GDP which we are going to calculate will be increased. Okay, with the increased price. So it won't be a good thing for the welfare of the country, of the people. Okay, means it is not good for the people of the country. Fine. Why? Because you are going to purchase the things which is costlier, more costlier, becoming more costlier, because the price is rising up. Or so it will be a welfare. No, it won't be a welfare for the country, or it won't be good for the people of the country. So that is why it is not good. Okay, so it is, if it is lower, then it is good only. And what could be the good one? What could be the good one? If price is not increasing, no matter. But suppose the quantity is increasing, means you are producing more and more goods and services in the economy. So if this quantity is increasing, then it is the good one. Okay, it will be good for everybody. Right? Okay, now we are going to study about the real GDP. So what is real GDP? So we can say real GDP at constant. So make sure you people understand real GDP is GDP at constant price, and nominal GDP is at what? What would be?
Current price.
Yeah, fine, good. Current price. So it is the market value of goods and services. Market value of goods and services produced within the domestic territory of the during counting year. Okay, please write. So again, once again, I'm going to say it is the market value of goods and services produced within the domestic territory of the country during an accounting year. and it is estimated using the base year price, or you can also say that the base year is your base year is what? Year of the comparison. Okay, or price of the comparison year with whom we are going to compare. It is the next year, or the base year means earlier which year which it has been given. It will be given to you. So we will be taking that price index from those years in which we have been we will be asked to compare. Okay, so it will be asking that. Fine. And what is the base year? Base year is considered to be the year where it is believed that macro variables remains lower, okay, or it is not very high. The price of the goods are not very high. Suppose we are talking about the prices here, okay, or we can say it is the price of a commodity is normal then, that time. So when prices are normal, we will be taking that as a base year and we will be comparing the price of the commodity. Fine. So it is called the GDP at constant price. So this will be, as I told you in the previous one, in this quantity, if the quantity is increasing and price remains the constant. Okay, price remains constant. So how we show that? Real GDP is equal to Q P P star P asterisk, you can say. So Q is, again, it is for the quantity of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of the country during an accounting year. Then P is the price prevailing during the base year. Okay, this is the price of P star P asterisk. Okay, price prevailing during the base year. And what is base year? Base year is year of comparison. Understood? Any problem, anybody? Okay, fine. Shall we move ahead? So how to convert nominal GDP into real GDP? So real GDP or GDP at constant price. So both the names can be given. Either real GDP it may ask, or it may ask GDP at constant price. So both are same. Okay. So here this GDP at current price upon price index. Price index of what? The prices, comparison prices will be given to you. In the price index, you can take from there. So in whatever year it has been asking you to compare, that year price will be taken here. Okay, price index into 100. So space is not here, please understand, it is into 100. Fine. Or you can also say, what do you call other name with the GDP at current price? You can say nominal GDP upon price index into. This is how you are going to change nominal GDP into real GDP. Fine. So real GDP is equal to this thing. And what about the nominal GDP? If you want the nominal GDP, how you are going to do so? See, nominal GDP is there. So what you are going to do? It is very simple. Just it is like the maths formula you have already done. So real GDP into price index.
500.
Huh? Say.
500.
Acha. Okay, 500. Price index beta. Okay, यहाँ पे price index. ये अलग formula है. This one is other formula. And this one is other one. Understood? So this is for the nominal GDP or nominal GDP. Now real GDP into price index upon 100. And this will convert real GDP into nominal GDP. And if you are converting nominal GDP to real GDP, then for getting your real GDP at constant price, so GDP at current price is also known as nominal GDP upon price index into 100. Fine. This is the smallest formula or easiest formula you can get. So this is all for today. We will meet up in the next class. Till then, thank you.